From 2017 to 2023, surge protective devices have undergone major changes in the requirements set by the National Electrical Code. These changes are designed to better protect people and equipment from power surges. In 2017, surge protection was required for emergency elevators, dumbwaiters, escalators, moving walks, platform lifts, stairway chair lifts, and fire pump controllers. In 2020, residences were required to have surge protection to safeguard large appliances and equipment like HVAC systems, as well as life-saving equipment like smoke alarms. And in 2023, dormitories, hotel rooms, and bedrooms in nursing homes and limited care facilities require surge protective devices. These updated requirements ensure that critical areas are protected from power surges, which can cause electronic equipment misoperation and damage, potentially leading to safety risks. Be smart and stay safe.